Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Elden Ring language on PS5. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, so let's say when we access our PS5 and we go to our libraries section, and for whatever game we would like, we can simply go to the library, tap on the game, and go to this manage game content, and we will be able to access the languages for them. For example, likewise over here, so we can simply go ahead and choose the language that we would prefer and change it to accordingly. But recently, according to some of the game updates, some of the players as well, when you go to your settings of your PS5 and go to system setting and change your language for entire system, then that kind of have been updated for Elden Ring as well. But this seems like Elden Ring kind of has restrictions for the language and according to the region. So if in case you're not being able to access it, that could be might be one of the reasons. So what you can do is, as I mentioned over here, it is not the foolproof solution as well, not is that it will change it, but you can simply try to go to your manage game content if you could find it. If you're not being able to, simply try to change the language from your system as well and see if it updates and simply launches the language that you choose to. So just try to do that. So yeah guys, this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.